Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a splitting text like this. So let's start with the video. So what you want to do is go to your pixel lab and then change the font, change the text and click on subscribe. So here we want to do is keep the subscribe just as subs and go to AB font, and here I'm gonna use a font called build tilting BDIT, and it's given in the link in the description below for the font to download. Make sure the size is 132. Make sure the background is transparent and just save it to your gallery. Make sure it's png file. So and now type the other part, that is KRIBE, sorry, it's KRIBE and CRIB, sorry, and click on done, okay, and then save it too. So let's move to PS Touch now. Now go to your KineMaster empty project and then click on the media, and then go to, and first click on background and choose any background if you want, and then go you click on the background, click on the circle up right there, click on the circle up right there, and then make the R column just below 0, and then adjust the green column, and make it just like a green screen. 240 will work, I guess, and there you go. So click on the check button, I guess, to 240, yes, click on it, and it looks pretty like green screen, and then just extend it if you want. So go to the layer, go to media, and then click on the pixel lab. So then select the text layer subs, and then okay, there you go, and the red line appears. It is for alignment. It eases alignment very fast. So and then before asking what is HD Designs, that is appearing in my media, is my second channel, and guys, we have won the first prize in the Om Pawar speedart contest. So shout out to Om Pawar. The link is in the description below for his channel. So with saying all that, let's head back to the video. So once you align both the text as one word, go to the in animation and then go to pop down or pop up. You have to just both the letters should have a different animation. Here I'm gonna add first to pop up and this pop down, so it looks like it's opening, and there you go, pop up, pop down, and pop up, so it looks like they're splitting in half and they're coming up, and that gives a new look there. And then over, then just adjust it a little bit, increase the size and all, and then you can use it to your videos. So next step is how to use this in the videos.